So hey, Sean,
Hey.
we are here at Buchla and Friends, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And we're going to look at, your booth is Dogbotic Labs,
Yeah, so
right?
this is Dogbotic Labs. So I'm Sean, along with Kirk over there. We do online workshops for electronics, basic ideas. You get a kit of stuff in the mail. You learn how to build it over 10 weeks on Zoom, so it's all virtual. So we've had people from all over the world, Australia and India and Spain and a few others I can't remember, but we've worked with all time zones, and yeah, we try to build community around this kind of stuff just because failing together is more fun than failing by yourself. And I always say the first rule of electronics is it doesn't work the first time you plug it in, so just getting people over that initial hump and learning how to do their own circuitry for whatever purpose. So I'm a composer and a video artist. I perform under the name Isorhythmics, and I build stuff for my own artistic purposes. Not a trained engineer, trained as a composer, and so for me, I don't really need to know everything about how it works. I just want it to do cool stuff, and that's kind of the vibe we try and instill in people. Is you don't got to sweat the details. It's okay if you don't fully understand how it works. If it's doing something cool, then that's all that matters.
So what are the kits that you kind of are able to build? It's like, so I found out about your company.
Oh yeah.
And I want to know what kits what
Sure.
kits you offer.
Of course, yeah. So we do. I'd say our main staples are like a basic synthesizer from scratch workshop. So it's called DIY Synths, and what you end up learning is oscillators, sequencers, that kind of stuff. A lot of digital logic used for audio purposes. And then we also have one where you learn how to build this drum machine.
So that's what we have here,
machine.
right?
Yeah, that's a drum machine. So it's a patchable interface. Basically, so I use it for my own sort of live performance purposes or whatever. But you got like some clock signals into various square wave counters that divide that down into different loops of integers, 2, 4, 3, 5, 7, whatever, and then separate triggers out to the different individual voices. Each one of the quarter-inch cables is a different voice, and they each get a trigger signal from one of the counters, and it's pretty impenetrable. I mean, like I said, when I perform with it, I know what I'm doing, but I guess the flip side of that is we teach people, like, you build it out for your own use, and it doesn't have to look like somebody else's. It doesn't have to be laid out in any particular way, just kind of however works best for your own vision, whatever you have. And I think, not to throw shade on everyone else here, but when somebody else designs something for you, they make all the important decisions, and you sort of lose that chance to find something that's unique to the thing that you're building.
So if I wanted to build this, you could take me through it, and it might not look exactly like this,
right?
But
you may find that you don't want to have every single patch point available. But like for me, I can't close something off if I think I might use it later, so I keep it all available for further, tweaking or whatever. Whereas you may want something more streamlined, like a simple interface where you can control it with like one button or one knob, or like a photoresistor or something. And so your thing may look totally different, but it may have the same guts. And I think that's kind of what we teach you how to build the guts, and then how you use it is sort of up to you and what you want to do. Yeah.
So with the kits that you do offer, like what are the kind of price points? Are they like, do you have different prices? Are they different kits? Like,
there are different. So all the workshops. So the kits we don't sell separate from the workshops yet, but that's something we're getting into. So if you're interested, then come check us out for that reason. But yeah, we have different lengths of workshops. So I guess like we have a 4-week workshop model, and then we have like a 8 to 10 week workshop model. And depending on how much time and energy you want to invest in it, you can choose one of the two. Yeah.
Brilliant. So where can people find out about it?
Dogbotic.com. That's the one. Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, Sean, thanks for talking to us.
Absolutely. Thanks so much.